Hey guys, this is gonna be the unboxing of my new EzyShade car cover, the 10-layer waterproof, yada yada yada. Let's see if it's really waterproof. I'm in Southern California, and on today's Tuesday. On Wednesday and Thursday it's supposed to pour. So I got one for my Chevelle project, 67 big block, 138 car, 12.5 to 1 compression, solid lifter. And I also figured, I'll get one for my F-250. Well, it's actually my wife's F-250. And let's see if these are actually water resistant. I think I got them both for like 65 bucks on sale, so it's hard to pass up on. And if it lasts a season at 65 bucks, so be it. But I had indoor covers from California Car Cover, and it's going outside, and it's temporary, so I didn't want to spend a ton of money. It was on sale. I said, hey, why not? So let's unbox this thing, see what it looks like, see how the fit is. You know, they have codes. I think this was a C7, not a Corvette, but a car cover. And let's see what it looks like. So here we go. All right, so here we go. Gotta be careful not to cut it, right? Because that would suck. Let's see what the unboxing looks like. Got a couple freebie things. 1 and 3 wins. Get your EzyShade, make life easier. That's the cover. And this is for the antenna. This car doesn't have an antenna. Here we go. So we got a couple straps in here. See them? That's a really nice vacuum seal. So again, be careful with my handy dandy letter opener. Open letters with these things, right? Pull this stuff out. Alright. So this is what it looks like when it comes out. Vacuum sealed, looks pretty small. So I'm going to unroll it. I think you probably have to pop a hole in. This would be for the antenna. These are to strap this bad boy down. Spare buckle. We have a buckle here. Spare buckle, that's interesting. On this side, there should be a couple more buckles, I believe. So I'm going to throw this on the car. We'll go from there, see how it looks, see if it fits the Chevelle. And we'll put one on the F-250, and when it finally rains in California, we'll see how these things hold up. There you go. Looks pretty good to me. Just do a quick walk around. This is the Amazon EzyShade. It's got the zipper right here. This locks in on the other side. You've got one there. You've got one here. Let's go to the other side. I thought there was one in the middle. Yeah, there's one in the middle too. So I believe that's the extra one that comes in the box. So I think it's a pretty good fit, right? 67 Chevelle, no post, slammed on 20s. Great fit. So, and when it stops raining, we have this torrential downpour. They call it atmospheric rivers now there. When I was little, we used to say, hey, it's going to rain a lot. Now it's atmospheric river. We'll see how the Chevelle does, and we'll see how my wife's F-250 does with these Amazon covers. Right there, EzyShade. All right, I'm gonna go open the other one, get the cars in place. On this truck, I just fixed, he's got these little clips in here, right? A little sidebar. So I had one from another truck. I had a 97 F-250 crew cab and one of these clips. So I just fixed that in 2 seconds. It was nice because the handle wasn't working right. And I just got to wire in a brake controller. And other than that, this truck's awesome. Everything on it works. So I bought it for my wife. There you go. And on that excursion, my daily, I think what I'm going to do is get some of that Poppy's patina, and I'm going to sand down the hood. You see how the hood looks, and you know, I could paint it, or I could put some money in the old cars, or even better, I could take the kids on a trip somewhere. So do I paint that Excursion, which I love that truck. I mean, I'll never sell that truck. I drive it every day. Or just do the Poppy's Patina for a couple $100 and make it look decent and take the kids to Hawaii. That's probably the better choice. So, but it's neither here nor there. So there you go. I'm rambling. EzyShade, looking good. More to come. We'll see how it holds up in the rain. Please like, please subscribe. Questions, comments, put them down there. And so much more content coming. Thank you all. All right, so here it is on the F-250. Put the cover on. Covers it really good. I actually got one side. I got a bigger size than I needed because I just figured, well, a little extra material doesn't hurt. So that's what it looks like on. It's all strapped down, the 3 points. And I chose for a crew cab long bed, so that's why it's bigger. And I figure if I ever had to put on the Excursion, it would probably fit. So EzyShade, test run, atmospheric river in Southern California. What's going to happen to my cars that are covered? I forgot I ordered a third one, so I've got a 69 Camaro cover too. So we're going to test this thing out on the 74 F-250, a 69 big block 4-speed Camaro, and a 67 Chevelle big block automatic car. So let you know if it's worth buying. Next 72 hours, California, it's going to pour, so we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.